go ahead and put it in, man. ¿Qué hola, raza? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're dropping off my 99 EK with my homie David. I'll explain a little bit more on the build and why it's going over there in a little bit once we're on our way. But for now, enjoy some footage of Eddie and I loading everything up. But it's nice to own one of these. Our rich friends, gotta love them. She's all ready to go. Strap her down, get the trailer.
You gotta get the transmission and then tie this fucker down.
I lied. Transmission, tie that sucker down. Oh, what is this? Is this biscochín?
Yeah. Somebody in the last video asked what was in here. This belongs to my dad. We can't keep shit in here. This is part of why I'm having to move everything out of this bitch.
Yeah, it sucked. It'd be nice if we had this whole thing, but gotta respect the landlord. So this Bisca, we're almost there. We gotta get my dumpster out, and then we gotta finish one more dumpster, and then we'll get to it. Look at this beauty. Yeah, look at all that. Yeah, I know it's it's a tragedy it's in here. Keep telling the landlord, but you don't listen. Oh, shit. It's crazy.
Our transmission back here.
Way down here in the boonies. Look at that. Yeah, buddy.
Coyote, dude.
It does need a coyote. It needs a yank.
That's my dad.
Yeah, whatever this is needs to go. Go ahead and boomers, let us know what that is in the comments section. Where? Say everybody? Oh shit. It's my baby right here.
She don't know about this.
Somebody tell me what the fuck this is, because I have no idea.
Let's see.
It's another.
This
These JDM guys.
K-series transmission.
Oh man. You know what that sounds like? Sounds like money to me.
And I don't know, should we tell him? No, I'll tell him. If you look right here, it's actually an all-wheel drive transmission.
Oh man.
But yeah, let's get this guy loaded up.
Right. Look at this man. God damn, boy. ¿Qué comiste hoy o qué? Look at this.
Es que no me la jalé.
Shit, y'all ain't got shit on my boy. God. Woo! God damn, my boy ate his cornflakes this morning. Oh shit, what y'all, buddy?
Just the truck.
Just my boy said just the truck. Good thing nothing happened to this transmission. God damn. She's a heavy sucker.
Should have put that motor for the back, huh?
Yeah.
No, I think the triangle.
We can fit it. Oh, go ahead and hug the axle. Alright, so we're loaded up. That's the Civic. This is a K24. David's got a Type S head for me. That's a K-Series all-wheel drive transmission. So the car won't be all-wheel drive at first. It will be front-wheel drive for a while until I can afford all-wheel drive parts. But for now, this is it. For those of you that didn't know I have a Civic, it's a 99 EK. Yeah, should be something fun I could go fuck around in. Bust the brakes off Eddie's GTO.
Alrighty, buddy. Oh yeah, stop it right there.
let's get moving, buddy. All right, fellas. My boy's having himself a fine and dandy ass chicken sandwich. So we're headed up the mountain. My buddy David lives in Edgewood. So for those of you that don't know David, he's basically the reason that I even got into Hondas.
The Honda God.
Yeah, he's had some of the fastest Hondas in Albuquerque. His brother's got like an 11-second CRX. It's an 8K series, and that thing should be out again soon with an even bigger motor. But anyways, so my original plans with the Civic were, damn dude, this fucking road sucks, dude. I can't even talk right.
It's all bumpy.
But basically, when I bought this thing, I bought it as a roller, and it's got a brake line tuck, and it came with K-Series mounts already, so that was good to go. It actually came with a K-Series transmission, and I originally wanted to put it together as a really, really clean, like, daily drivable street car with a very nice setup in it. But
You threw that out the window.
yeah.
Nobody needs that shit.
Basically, I don't have the money to to build it to that standard. I wanted basically something that I could put my girlfriend in and take her on a date, but it's gonna be fucking ratchet now because I can't afford to build it like that, because I still want to build a truck. Now David has a CRX that he's building. That thing's gonna be wicked. It's gonna be like 1,000 horsepower K-Series all-wheel drive. So he needs me to put a cage in it, and I'm tired of watching this thing sit, especially having so many parts for it. I have an all-wheel drive transmission, but it won't be all-wheel drive at first. So I have a K24 that I got out of a CRV. David's got a Type S head that he's gonna put in it. And when he was talking to me about me doing a cage for him, I told him, well, why don't you just put my Civic together for me? So he's like, yeah, I can do that. I was like, just put it together, NA, that way I could drive it around and stuff. The other day we were talking on the phone.
Oh, here we go.
And I was like, so you have a header that I could put on that thing? And he's like, well, I have a turbo manifold. And I was like, well, I have a turbo. I have the old turbos off my truck. David has an intercooler. Basically, David's been racing Hondas for his whole life, so obviously he's got spare parts for him, just like
build a whole ass car.
Yeah, just like we got hella LS shit at the shop. He's just got a bunch of K-Series shit at his place, which we're headed up to now. So now it's gonna be like a log manifold, basically like all the hand-me-down parts I can get. I don't want to invest any of my own money into it. Obviously, if I have to here and there, I may have to buy, random shit. I think I'm gonna have to buy a fuel system for it, and that may be the only thing that I may do nice, just so I can have it done for. But other than that, he's just gonna basically put whatever he can on it, and it's gonna be turbo. It's gonna have a 70 millimeter that was on Pisca. It's just a journal bearing on 3. It's just a cast iron manifold that he has laying around. Probably some random intercooler he's got laying around. But yeah, I mean, I'm dropping it off now and picking up the CRX of his. He's getting married though in 2 weeks, so I don't think he's gonna touch this thing for a while, which is
Congratulations to the boy.
Congratulations, David. I'm not in a rush to get this thing done or anything, but maybe by the end of the year sometime we'll have a boosted Civic, and we're gonna bust the brakes off any shit.
All right.
Off the GTO.
Time to end this damn video.
Place your bets, ladies and gentlemen. It should be about a 400 horsepower Civic versus 700 horsepower GTO on a blower. What do it make? 6 what?
672.
That's basically 7, dude.
672 on 6 pounds.
Yeah, so the GTO made good power.
GTO's a damn tank.
Yeah, this ain't a tank, dude.
No. That's gonna be hella fun.
That's gonna be fun
rowdy
to cruise them, and then you're getting the truck, dude, soon. My boy Eddie here getting a boosted Silverado, so he's a Eddie.
Eddie. About to get
Damn, we're about to have all the boosted widths running around, dude. It's gonna be like we're fucking 18 again. Cause we can't build anything else worth of shit. But yeah, so let's head up to David's, talk to him for a little bit. We'll check out the CRX, and then we'll talk to him more about what he's gonna help us do to the EK. Damn, boy. Where'd you get this?
I got it,
That's a nice manifold, dude.
Yeah, I remember when
You just bought it, huh?
Yeah. No, I've had the second piece for a long time. It was the side.
The center mount? The center feed?
Yeah, and then I just bought the center feed.
Damn.
So this is a mock-up K24, but
Oh, okay.
so we have some of this stuff so we can get it ready to go.
Damn, these are dope too.
Yeah.
These are 3D printed?
3D printed, yeah.
Oh, it's a little air duct.
Yeah. That's the intercooler.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's a nice ass intercooler, dude.
I don't think I have a room for it. This thing's pretty cool.
Yeah, so this is the one we're taking to put a cage in. I gotta cut this one out. Where'd you buy this cage from? Jegs, you said?
Yeah, I believe so, yeah. But that's a mild still.
Yeah, we're doing chromoly, huh?
Yeah, now we're going chromoly.
Hell yeah, brother.
How much you pay for this transmission, Jack? We need one.
Yeah, we do need one.
Transmission jack? Yeah. I think I only paid like, I don't know.
Where'd you get it?
Harbor Freight. Look at this. This thing has nothing.
Yeah, I know.
Literally a bar across. Chilling.
Do you have the diff in it? Oh, yeah.
This right there.
Yeah. All right. So now we made it back to the shop. And we got to play musical cars. So this one's getting loaded onto the trailer. After that one gets unloaded, that one's coming in the shop. All right, como dijo Letty, back to our regular scheduled programming. Oh, he's gonna grab that light. So we gotta finish putting this thing together. This is Eddie's GTO. This guy right here, for everybody that doesn't know, Eddie. Coming in at 5'9".
My boy. You're doing that. Shut your mouth. Not 5'9".
My bad, 5'11" and a half.
No. Still higher.
So this thing keeps leaking on you?
Yes.
So we're gonna just put some silicone on this guy, some gasket maker. And then you need a fuel line.
Need a fuel line. Get that off.
So this guy knocked the head gaskets out of this thing.
Yeah, baby.
We got it all fixed. He's putting it back together now. So we need it back together because we also need this car out of the shop, and we want to bring in Sabino's car, the Turbo Camaro. We want to bring that car in because there's a race at Yellow Valley September 30th. So we're trying to make the Yellow Valley race in Sabino's car. If the car doesn't make it, we still are going to go film, right? You're still down to go film? Yeah, Yellow Belly's a vibe, but we would love to bring a car. So Sabino's car basically just needs to be gone through completely. It has a bunch of leaks. It's not making any power, so we got to figure out why it's not making any power. But we're going to finish this up. I think that's going to do it for this episode. Now we have the CRX in here, so after the CRX is done, then I'm back to working on the truck. But yeah, next time we see you guys, hopefully we will be working on the Camaro. This week, I wanted to have a race video, but unfortunately we were not able to make it to Hobbs. Our truck broke down on our way there, which was very unfortunate. That sucked. it was overheating and a bunch of other issues. But that's neither here nor there. We are gonna be keep posting videos weekly, and we got a bunch of cool stuff coming up. I'm gonna have the Civic soon. Eddie's gonna have this thing running like tomorrow. Eddie also has a turbo truck that he bought a few months ago. Pepino, you need to hurry the fuck up, bro. But yeah, we have a bunch of fun stuff coming up. Make sure you guys give us a like if you like what we're doing here. Subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Se la lavan.